Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can check the YouTube earnings of any channel on Socialblade. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So for the video purpose, we will take the example of Mr. Beast Gaming over here. So all you have to do is you need to go ahead and copy this YouTube handle and paste it over here and click on search. Now we'll wait for it to load, and as you can see, this channel earns anywhere between $35,000 to more than $500,000 a month. And if we check for his main channel, Mr. Beast over here, then I think he should be earning more than $5 million a month. As you can see, it's more than $500,000 to close to $9 a month. So Mr. Beast has around five YouTube channels, so he's making ton of money. So I guess overall he should be making more than $10 million in total per month. And this is how you can find the approximate earnings of any YouTube channel using Social Blade. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.